From the Research Diary of Dr. Lucy Willing, June 15th, 1937. Case profile, Whitey Hooten. According to my charts, we're entering the territory of Whitey Hooten, one of Julius's right-hand men. He's not the sharpest knife in the drawer, but his brute strength and quick temper make a big impression on the men, keeping them in line and on schedule with Julius's plans. It doesn't hurt that he's practically a legend in these parts. He's famous for being a notorious whaler, chasing down the great white whale across the South Seas. I've heard stories of him breaking pack ice just by yelling at it, and catching whales with his bare hands. These can hardly be believed, but that doesn't make him any less dangerous. I don't know, Mr. Chance. Coming back to Dr. Chanakov's lab seems really dangerous to me.
My father might have escaped Julius's attack. He might still be alive somewhere on this island.
After 3 days in the bitter cold?
Don't you think we owe it to him to at least try?
I'm sorry. You're right. Even if we don't find him, we might get some clues about what happened to him.
Look, there's a village. Set her down.
Welcome. The drum messages said you might be coming, and that you can be trusted.
Drums? We've been flying for hours. How the heck could you hear them?
They're really big drums. Huge. The latest models.
I see. I'm looking for my father. He used to work on this island.
Your father, huh? Was he the tall, white-haired fellow with the glasses, lived in the big concrete building?
I think so. Although I haven't seen him in many, many years.
He disappeared when the short man and the big man showed up a few days ago. If you go looking for him, be careful. The big white bear has 2 structures with powerful magic that many monsters come out of. Many of our people have been badly hurt.
Maybe I can help you out. I've had about enough of seeing innocent people get hurt.
Rex, I don't know if we have time for this.
We'll make time, Lucy.
Great. We'll send a scout out to lead your way.
New objective, boss.
It looks like we might get into a fight. So we'd better start building up a base and some creatures right away. And we're also gonna need coal and more henchmen.
And we're going to need more electricity, too. Right away.
Ready. Sounds like a plan.
Objective done. Great work, boss.
What would you have me do? Your building is complete. That shouldn't be a problem. The building you requested is complete. I'll get on that directly. A new building is complete. That shouldn't be a problem. The building you requested is complete. How can I help you? I'll get on that directly. For some...
Okay, good work. We'll be ready for whatever comes. But we'll need to keep a sharp lookout.
Rex, I don't mean to pry, but you seem to be awfully good at this ordering and fighting. What did you do before you came here?
I was a war correspondent up until about a year ago.
I'd always wondered why your father was so excited whenever we got newspapers here. Wait, what happened a year ago?
I was covering the Spanish Civil War. The fascists attacked the village I was in. There was this wounded soldier, a kid. I guess something snapped inside of me. See, the first rule of journalism is, you don't interfere.
And you interfered.
Yeah, I barely escaped with my life. When I got back stateside, I was fired, but I was fine. I'd hoped I'd seen my last war.
And then you came here.
I had to. A man needs to know his past to know who he is.
You seem like a good man to me, Rex.
Let's hope I'm good enough.
I'll get on that directly.
The critters are under attack.
What would you have me do? That shouldn't be a problem. Rex, don't attack that structure. Okay, Rex. We should think... Now, that's what I call a generator. There's a new structure available, but it has to be built on these geothermal vents. We can use the steam to power a generator and produce even more electricity. You know, there's no reason I can't learn to dismantle the enemy structures.
You think that's wise? You'd be exposing yourself to some danger.
Not as long as you or the creatures are nearby.
We can try it anytime you want. A little sabotage. I like the sound of that.
Level 3 research is complete. A new building is complete. I'll get on that directly.
The critters are under attack.
The building you requested is complete.
The critters are under attack.
What would you have me do? That shouldn't be a problem.
That research you wanted is done. The critters are under attack.
You found me. Good. Go down to the waterfall. One building is to the left, another to the right.
We got new objectives. Objective done. Great work, boss. Done researching.
How can I help you?
What's next? Let's go.
Right away.
research you wanted is done. Done researching.
How can I help you? That shouldn't be a problem.
Rex Chance at your service. Right. No problem.
That's interesting. I have to give Whitey a little more credit. It looks like he's built a sonic weapon for science.
The critters are under attack.
We can build our own sound beam towers now.
Objective done. Great work, boss. The critters are under attack.
Right away.
The critters are under attack. Lucy's being attacked. The critters are under attack. Rex is being attacked.
What's next?
What would you have me do?
Lucy's being attacked. The critter Rex is being attacked.
How can I help you?
Ready.
A new building is complete.
Let's go.
Lucy's being attacked. The critters are under attack.
For science.
Ready for action. Right.
The critters are under attack.
What's next? Let's go.
What would you have me do? I'll get on that directly.
Hello. All right. Done building. The critters are under attack. The critters are under attack.
Rex Chance at your service. Sounds like a plan. I'm on it.
The critters are under attack. The critters are under attack. They're destroying our buildings.
Let's go.
The critters are under attack. The critters are under attack.
Yes? For science.
That research you wanted is done.
Ready for action. Right. Ready. No problem. Sounds like a plan.
Objective done. Great work, boss.
Father? Hello? What happened to him?
Maybe he's inside.
If I'm not out in 5 minutes, save yourself and leave the island. No, wait, that's silly. If I'm not out in 5 minutes, come and make sure I haven't locked myself in or something. No sign of my father. I did find something interesting, though. Neurotoxin darts. I think my father might have had them for protection from these creatures. There were a few missing. Oh, this is not good.
Objective done. Rex is being attacked. The critters are under attack. The critters are under attack. The critters are under attack.
Ready for action. I'm on it. Let's go.
The critters are under attack.
Rex Chance at your service. No problem. I'm on it.
Rex is being attacked.
Right.
Objective done. Great work, boss.
Let's go.
How can I help you? That shouldn't be a problem. For science.
Ready. Sounds like a plan. Rex Chance at your service.
The building you requested is complete.
Ready for action. I'm on it. Sounds like a plan. I'm on it. Sounds like a plan.
The critters are under attack.
No problem. I'm on it. Ready. No problem. Ready for action.
The critters are under attack.
Rex Chance at your service.
The critters are under attack.
Ready for action. Sounds like a plan.
The critters are under attack.
Yes?
The critters are under attack.
Ready. I'm on it. Right.
The critters are under attack. The critters are under attack.
Rex Chance at your service. Ready for action.
The critters are under attack.
I'm on it. Ready.
The critters are under attack.
Right.
The critters are under attack. The critters are under attack. The critters are under attack. This coal pile is all used up.
Ready for action.
How can I help you?
The critters are under attack.
Yes? Right away.
Boss? Ready, boss. You're the boss. The critters are under attack.
Ready. Let's go. What's next? I'm on it. Sounds like a plan. I'm on it.
Rex is being attacked.
Let's go. Sounds like a plan. I'm on it.
Your building is complete.
Ready for action. Right.
The critters are under attack. The critters are under attack.
What's next? Let's go.
The critters are under attack. The critters are under attack. Objective done. Great work, boss.
You festering dogs! You'll wish you never set foot on my island.
What the heck is that?
It's coming in over the radio. It's Whitey Hooten, half thug, half whale hunter, all angry all the time.
I'll have my men cut yous to pieces and use yous for bait.
Ready. Wow, friendly sort, ain't he?
A real gentleman.
I'm on it. Right. I'm on it. No problem. Let's go. What's next? Sounds like a plan.
What would you have me do? That shouldn't be a problem.
Ready. No problem. I'm on it. Sounds like a plan. No problem.
A new building is complete.
Let's go. Right. Let's go. I'm on it. Right.
How can I help you? I'll get on that directly.
What's next? Let's go. Sounds like a plan. I'm on it.
Your building is complete.
No problem. Let's go.
Yes? For science.
Rex Chance at your service. Right. Sounds like a plan. Let's go. Sounds like a plan. I'm on it. Sounds like a plan. No problem. Right.
Rex is being attacked.
No problem. Sounds like a...
Rex is being attacked.
Let's go.
Rex is being attacked. Rex is being attacked.
Right.
Rex is being attacked.
I'm on it. Ready. Sounds like a plan. Let's go. Sounds like a plan. No problem. Sounds like a plan.
This pile is out of coal. Objective done. Great work, boss. Okay.
What's next? I'm on it. Rex Chance at your service. Sounds like a plan.
Done researching.
I'm on it.
The critters are under attack. That research you wanted is done. The critters are under attack. The critters are under attack. Done researching. The critters are under attack. The critters are under attack. The critters are under attack. That research you wanted is done. The critters are under attack. 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 Objective done. Great work, boss. The critters are under attack.
Your men are beaten. The gig's up, Hooten. Tell me where my father is, or I'm coming for you next.
Is that all you want? Long lost daddy? Well, I'll tell you where he is, all right. But you'll need a shovel if you want to seize him. He's buried nearby.
Shut that radio off.
What now, Rex?
Take me to Whitey Hooten.